issue with my new 650 Interceptor. Went out one morning and put the key in, and absolutely nothing happened. Nothing at all, nothing lit up. Um, Tried looking for loose connections behind the headlight, etc. Couldn't find anything. Took it back into the dealer, picked it up. Everything was fine. They said it was a loose ground wire. Drove it for a few days, and everything was fine until so, as you can see, dead as a proverbial doornail. I rang the dealer up and asked him where this ground wire was, and it wasn't underneath the headlight as I thought they said it was. It turned out it's underneath the panel on the left-hand side by the carburetor intake. There's a black connector there that you can see, and that's the culprit. I opened it up and found that it was packed full of a white grease, I suppose to enhance waterproofing. So get a bit of carburetor cleaner, a rag, and start to do a bit of degreasing. It was quite thick in there, so got a little nylon brush to sort of work it free. Liberal amount of carburetor cleaner to clean all the grease out. As you can see, it's quite thick in there, so I just prodded around to loosen it up and use carburetor cleaner on it again. I'm sure there's lots of other solvents that can be used, but carburetor cleaner was handy, so there we go. Oh, here we go. Success. And it's been working fine ever since. So hopefully if anyone else has a similar issue, this might be your problem. Cheers.